Cedar is great wood. So this fence is about 10 years old. So if you notice, these rails are cedar and they're very solid. The pickets are cedar also. The only problem is that the homeowner, when they built this, they also built their posts. They also use cedar posts to go into the ground. And whenever you do that, cedar holds up great in the air when it gets to dry, but with ground contact, cedar is not the right choice. Make sure you go with pressure treated posts on your fence. You can go with cedar, everything else, but pressure treated posts is a must. If not, you will be replacing that fence. The fence is only as good as the post. So if you have great cedar pickets, great cedar rails, but you have cedar posts, it's not gonna hold up. Always remember that. So yeah, the cedar rails work really great, but here's how the cedar posts look. Completely rotten. They're not meant for ground contact. So don't let the guys at the big box store sell you on that. Pressure treated is the only thing you want for ground contact. If you notice here, where they're above ground, they look perfect. And these are the same age. Here's another post. I mean, completely rotten.